In this guide video, I'll show you the procedure to convert Roblox gift card code to Robux. To convert a Roblox gift card code to Robux, you need to follow these steps. First of all, you need to redeem the gift card. So for that, you actually want to go ahead and open up your browser. And you want to type in roblox.com/redeem. So once you do it, so what next you want to do is click on the first link that appears. And then you want to go ahead and enter the gift card, or you simply want to go ahead. So what you have to do is here you'll have this interface, right? So what you want to do is you simply want to scroll down and you want to go ahead and enter the promo code or click on roblox.com redeem. Once you go to this section here, you want to go ahead and enter in or redeem your gift card first of all. After which you want to go to the Roblox start section, usually found under the Roblox button on the top menu. Exit out of this page, go to Roblox. And then you want to click on the Roblox icon in the top right, and then you simply want to go ahead and click on the convert to Roblox over here and get Roblox button. A confirmation screen will appear, and click on buy or convert to finalize the conversation. Then you want to refresh the page or navigate to a new page to see your update Roblox balance. And once you've actually done it, so you've successfully converted Roblox gift card code to Robux. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.